Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making the Apple Watch Ultra 2 use less power during workouts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Turning on low power mode during workouts will make your watch use less power during workouts, but it will also reduce some of the functions of the watch. Some of the functions that will be affected are Wi-Fi and cellular signal. Blood oxygen measurements and incoming notifications may be delayed. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap workout. Then tap the toggle to the right of low power mode to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, your watch will go into low power mode when you start a workout, and when grey, it will not. You can tap low power mode below to get more info about the functions that will be affected when the setting is enabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.